Today I am going to introduce you to the best free AI voice generator available into the market. It is complete open source, it is free, you can install it inside your computer without paying a single coin. Also, there is an online version, you can use it, but there is a drawback to it. I'll tell you it later in the video. Firstly, let's go ahead and listen to these voices that are generated. Now, the software is called Zonos. Okay, so just listen to this software, and then we are also going to compare it to the ElevenLabs and then the other AI generated tools.
I don't really care what you call me. I've been a silent spectator watching species evolve, empires rise and fall. But always remember, I am mighty and enduring. Respect me and I'll nurture you. Ignore me and you shall face the consequences.
Okay, that is generated using Zonos. Now, what about ElevenLabs? Just go ahead and listen to it.
I don't really care what you call me. I've been a silent spectator watching species evolve, empires rise and fall. But always remember, I am mighty and enduring. Respect me and I'll nurture you.
You get the idea, right? At this point, ElevenLabs sounds more like the AI voice. So let's go ahead and take a look at the other second prompt.
Well, I will consider it again. The Emperor's complexion did not change, remaining as still as a sculpture and a touch of touching warmth flat.
What about ElevenLabs?
The Emperor's complexion did not change, remaining as still as a...
Okay, you get the idea, right? You can just simply go ahead and listen to the other prompts that are available within here. Just listen to them, whichever is best for you, then you can decide if it is best for you or not. The best part is it is completely free. You can just simply go ahead and visit or find it through the GitHub. Anyway, so I'll provide all of the links in the description. You can just simply go ahead and check them out yourself. Now, the other point is that can you use it online? Well, exactly, you can go ahead and use it. The link is actually here, playground.zifra.com/audio. You have to just simply open it and then sign up with your email, because without it, it's not going to work. Now, since this company or the open source community is not really or they are not really rich, they are, I don't know, they are using which kind of servers, but therefore if you are simply using their online tools, so as you can see, this is one. You can just simply type your voices and now click generate. It's going to start generating the voice, and it's going to take a little bit of time to generate the voice. This is the drawback of the using it online.
Hello and welcome to Zonos. Try out one of our default voice.
Okay, generate it. But mostly if you upload 10 to 60 seconds of audio, it's going to generate the voice quickly without any problem. And now the voices that are available, you can just simply go ahead, take a look at these voices. Here is the American female version.
Hi there, I'm excited to finally talk with you.
This is the American male version.
Hi there, I'm excited to finally talk with you.
The British.
Hi there, I'm excited to...
And there is also the other British version, and there is also the option of the random voices that you can just simply go ahead and use it. You can also go ahead and clone your voice and it will generate the voice that you were looking for. But this is the online version. You can always use it for free without paying a single coin. Okay, now the other thing is that how can we install it inside our Windows computer? Now let me tell you that it needs a serious graphic card, which is 6 GB of graphic card plus virtual VRAM that is required, and then at least I think around more than 7 GB of storage is also required within your PC, because without them it's not going to work properly. Okay, to install it inside your computer, mostly it is recommended to use it inside Linux, but you can also use it inside Windows too without any problem. The first step is that you have to go ahead and download Git inside your computer and then install it within your Windows. So just simply search on Google Git download and go ahead, download the latest version for your computer, which is 32 or 64-bit. That is up to you. And once it is downloaded, you have to install it inside your computer. Okay, after the installation, you have to just simply go ahead and visit this URL, get its URL. Just simply click on this code thing, and from here you can see there is the URL. Just simply copy the URL and then open CMD. Mostly I recommend you that if you are trying to run it inside your Windows, run it inside a separate window. In my case, for instance, you can just simply go ahead and run it within the desktop. That will be easy later if you do not want it at all. Just simply type here CMD, and this all must be after the installation of the Git. Okay, you must install Git. After that, you have to just simply type git clone and now just simply paste the URL and press enter. It's going to start the process. For now, I have not installed the Git inside my computer because my computer does not have at least 6 GB of graphic card, which is turn very bad. Anyway, the process is all available here. You can just simply take a look here. This guy has downloaded the video, sorry, the git from the github, and then installed it using just simply by clicking next. You get that, right? The installation process is mostly really simple without any hassle. That is as simple. So once installation is done, you can just see this guy has opened the cmd, and from there you can just simply see that it has typed the command of git clone, and now you can see the URL, and now press enter, and you can see the end result, which he has downloaded or replicated the GitHub that it was looking for. Now, other than the once it is downloaded, you can see there is it's going to create a separate folder for it within the desktop or any other location that you have used the CMD to open it. As I said before, desktop is quite easy because later we can just simply go ahead and delete that. Okay. Within the repository, every file is available, so you can see all of these files are available within the GitHub repository too. So you can just simply take a look. It has just simply git clone is going to just simply copy all of these locally inside your system. There are also, you can see that the option, all of the scripts are available. Later I'll tell you how to use them, but the point is that you have to do that. Okay, that is the first thing. Now the other thing is that you have to go ahead open this PowerShell as administrator. So as you can see, if you scroll down within here, the installation process is also guided here. So you can see you have to open the PowerShell as administrator. You have to just simply search PowerShell and run it as administrator. Okay, once you run it, once it is run as administrator, you have to just simply go ahead and change this policy. This is some policy which is not letting to simply do which is not letting you run the application in simple words. Then you have to just simply do that, and now press enter. Is going to work. Okay, then type Y. It's going to just simply bring the needed changes. Okay, that is the first thing that you have to do after the installation of the git. So you can see once that is done, you have to just simply go ahead, open the folder. So as you can see, as I said before, this is the first thing that you have to do, or so-called these script. You can just simply run it with PowerShell, and then it's going to start downloading the required files, and based on that it will take some time to simply download the. So as you can see, everything is firstly it's going to start downloading. I have to just simply show you. This is actually a separate window, or like a Docker thing. Just simply run it with PowerShell. So as you can see, and now it's installing the required dependencies or the required files. So firstly, you can see the sizes are available here, that is 21 MB, and then followed by that you can see the main requirements are installed, which is Python, and then the virtual environment was also installed. That is another thing that it can be easily removed from your system. And again, you can see it is still starting to download the Mamba and then the other files. As I said before, you need a very fast internet connection. So as you can see, this is another thing which is around 2.36 GB, and you can see finally once the installation is done, you can move to the next step. Okay, once the installation is done, you can run it using the second prompt. You can see that is the run radio.ps1. That is another script. You can run it using the PowerShell. Just simply run with right click on it and run with PowerShell, and you can see this is the expo, and then just wait a moment, it's going to open it, or also download the required files, and then it's going to open it using the browser using the local ID. So as you can see, 127.0.0.1.7.860, that is the local system premises that can be used to simply go ahead and use these Zonos. From there you can just simply go ahead, use choose the voices, and then type your prompt, everything. It will be easy peasy for you to just simply go ahead and generate any type of voice that you were looking for. Oh, by the way, I almost forgot. uh, every voice model that you are trying to use, you must first download them into your system. So once you simply run the graphical user interface of it inside your browser, it's going to start downloading all of those voices in the background, and they will all be contained within this folder. Don't worry, it will not be within another folder. And then once it's done, you can just simply go ahead and use that. Every time if you wish to run, you can just simply right click on the script, and then it's going to start running it just like that. So you get that, all right? This is as simple as that, to just simply go ahead and generate any voices that you want. Additionally, if your system does not support the hardware requirements, as I said before, you can always use the online version, which is the playground.zifra.com/audio. This is available for free and kind of free, not completely free. So I hope that this was helpful to you. For now, have a nice day. Goodbye.